This episode reveals the hidden engines behind NBA victories, shining a light on assistant coaches, data analysts, and medical staff. Through candid interviews with veteran assistants and team physicians, the audience learns how scouting, practice plans, and recovery schedule games. A data specialist explains rotation algorithms, while a physiotherapist details injury prevention, warm-ups, and minute management that preserve star power. Experts analyze a recent title run to show how franchise philosophy translates into on-court execution and player development. Listeners gain fresh respect for backstage craft as the episode ties coaching, analytics, and medicine into basketball glory.